In this video, I'll show you how to quickly change the background color in your Klaviyo email so your campaigns look more professional and personalized. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Start by opening Klaviyo and going to your campaigns section. Select the campaign you want to edit, then click the three dots next to it and choose Edit Campaign. Once inside, click the Edit button again to access the design area. Here, go to the Styles tab. This is where you control the look of your email. Under Template Background, you can pick any color you want. If you have brand colors, enter the exact hex code for a perfect match. Take a quick look to make sure the new background complements your text and images. Once you're happy, your changes will save automatically. And that's it. Your email now has a fresh background color, ready to impress your audience. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other Klaviyo tutorials for more tips.